everyone, it is AKARI, conqueror of Inktober, 4 years on a row. And guess what? Today we start the 5th one. Yes, dear viewer, it is that time of the year again. The time of Inktober stress. But with an added twist this time, I'll be even more stressed than usual. You see, right now I'm in college. And I have a lot of assignments to do. So, this year is quite special for me since it'll be the first year I try to attempt Inktober and hopefully I finish it without going completely insane. Which might be a bit difficult because, you know, I'm adding the extra step of not only drawing it and publishing it on my socials, but making a YouTube video about it. This is going to be so much fun! And for the actual experience, for you to come with me in this journey, I'll be recording these voiceovers daily. Why? Because I think the decreasing energy throughout the week will be so hilarious to watch and to hear. You can see with the rules I set up for myself that I'm going to have such a fun time with this one, both ironically and not, because the first few weeks of Inktober are always the greatest ones to have. Today is Monday 30th of September and I'm recording this intro a bit ahead of time because I don't want to torture myself that much. So be sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe to the channel so you can come along with me this whole month of Inktober and you do not miss any updates on my sanity. Oh my god. With that said, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And with that, a whole day has passed. That was quick. Welcome to Inktober, everyone. Let's go on to day 1. The prompt for today was backpack. And not gonna lie, I expected something a little bit more exciting to start off. But oh well. It's honestly not that bad now that I think about it, because it gives me an extra day to get back into the swing of things, of making black and white illustrations. Because I'm pretty sure that I haven't done one since like last year on October. So for simplicity, I decided to draw my Sonic character with my college backpack. Which, you know, I take that backpack everywhere. Because it's filled to the brim with art supplies and always a bottle of ink. Which, side tangent, my first bottle of ink ever broke on this exact backpack and I have not been able to remove the stain ever since. Does it give it more personality? Yeah, it's an artist backpack and you can tell. But is it a pain that I had to buy another bottle of ink because of that, even though the bottle of ink I originally had was filled? Absolutely! But yeah, not much else to say about this piece. It's a short and sweet one, but we still have 30 days to go, so stay tuned. Let's go day 2! Today's word was discovery, and I had a lot of different ideas for this one. But ultimately I ended up with a narrative of Sonic first discovering his super form. My bias to that idea is because of my super soft spot for Super Sonic, and I am not even going to deny that, okay? It's just that his first appearance in Sonic 2 is such an iconic moment in my eyes. And then we have like his first appearance on the Sonic movies, which is also too, coincidentally. I just noticed while I was saying this. Holy cannoli, they planned everything. From Keanu reference to Super Sonic, oh yeah, it's all coming together. TLDR, both moments are very cool, but in this illustration I drew classic Super Sonic to pay homage to where it all started, Sonic 2, the game. Overall, this was just a super fun illustration. That, and also, this was my reminder to you that I am very excited for Sonic Movie 3. Anyways, let's move on. Okay, so first of all, apologies if today my voice sounds a bit weird. I woke up with allergies and I haven't been able to get rid of them ever since. Regardless, the show must move on, so day 3. I've had an idea for this prompt ever since I first saw the list, so let's get to it. Today's word is boots. And now, a little backstory on this drawing. for the folks that don't have an encyclopedic memory of all things Sonic. Like, back in 2022, Sonic Channel released an art for June, which is this one. And it hasn't left my brain ever since. Because if you look closely, there's a card with a happy birthday written on it and a pink heart. You can't tell me that wasn't Amy who wrote that card. Who else would do that? Like, Shadow? So for all the Son Amy folks out there, here, rejoice. Have a bit of food. This one also goes to all the people in my Sonic shipping video who were sad that I didn't mention Sonami or Wispango. I do like both ships, but there's something about Sonado in my brain that it can't be beaten, man. It can't be beaten. And for Wispango, I kinda sorta forgot to make like a section for honorable mentions, so there. I'll probably make another part for that video sometime soon, hopefully, because there's a lot of things I didn't say that I still want to say. But if you guys are interested, let me know. Anyways, let's move on to the fourth day. Oh my god, it's only the third day and I've already lost count of the days. This is going to be very interesting later on. Day 4! Update on the allergies from yesterday. They went away. For now. For as much as I love fall, it always triggers my allergies. Sigh. Anyways, the prompt for today is exotic. And this one had me stumped for a while. One idea a friend suggested was drawing Sonic as a werehog, but that didn't quite fit in my opinion. Not gonna lie, I almost went with that because I love drawing werehog Sonic, especially on October, but maybe for a prompt later on. Because I remembered Chow. Oh sweet small Chow. On a whim, I decided to Google exotic Chow, and it happens to be a rarity on Sonic the Roblox game. Sonic Speed Simulator, I think. And I really want to play it, but even if I had the time, I'd have to make another Roblox account because for the life of me, I can't remember mine. It was just a while ago. I looked through the exotic Chow there is, and then I realized that Triple S Chow were all exotic Chow, and that's like the most perfect thing ever for me. Sign me the heck up. And that was the thought process on day 4. I'd say we're doing great so far. Let's keep it going. Last but not least for today, we have day 5, binoculars. But hey, I decided to do a sneaky little move and just draw one binocular. Singular. One singular binocular. Because that to me sounds like a pirate. Yarg. There's honestly not much of an explanation about this one, only that I really wanted to draw Pirate Knuckles from Sonic Prime. There's just something I really wanted to do and I had an excuse to do it, and so I did it. That's it, that's all the backstory for this. He's just a little scrunkly guy and I really wanted to draw him. And hey, Pirate Knuckles for the win, because we have finished almost a week of Inktober. Right now I'm just going to edit all this audio together and edit the video. So the video goes live on YouTube right now. Well, not right now, but in a minute. Today. That's what I mean. Now, before I go, let me take a minute to thank our lovely channel members who helped make this video possible. Shout out to Kyo, Heat Dragon, Jimari Fox, Servando Verdugo, and Kami M. And a huge thank you to you, lovely viewer, for watching this Inktober video till the end. I really hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for part 2 on this odyssey I'm taking part on next week on AKARI Talks or in my community tab. But with that said, I have been Akari-san. Really hope to see you on the next one, lovely viewer. Keep drawing and stay spooky. Bye bye!